Air fryer bacon Parmesan cracker appetizers.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with some club crackers. These are plain butter crackers, but you can use whatever cracker you want. Sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top of that. And then you're going to take a piece of bacon that's been cut in half. And then you're just going to wrap it up loosely. And I say loosely, and I'll explain what that means later. And then if you like, you can add an additional sprinkle of Parmesan cheese on top. So when you wrap them, just make sure you have a piece that goes over the top, and then the other piece goes all the way around with a little bit left over to go underneath the cracker, just so that it keeps it in place. Then you're going to take these and put them in your air fryer. Single layer, doesn't matter if they're crowded, they cook just as well. And you're going to set it at 350 for 10 minutes. At the halfway mark, open it up and flip them over to get the other side. Now you're going to continue to bake until they are to your liking. The bacon is to your liking. I baked mine for an additional about 3 minutes to about 8 minutes, and I thought they were perfect. Now, original recipe told me to do this. Take your bacon slice and cut it in half, but lengthways, horizontally, and then to tightly wrap the cracker with it. So that's what I did, because that's what the recipe book said. Wrap it tightly. So it actually allowed me to go around several times. And in theory, this is good because the whole cracker kind of gets covered, and that's good, right? And then bake it. Now I baked it for the entire 10 minutes. And as you can see, the crackers got very, very dark, and the bacon squeezed the cracker as it was shrinking and made them into like weird little bow ties. And actually a lot of the ends broke off and they just weren't as pretty. Now you can serve this with a little bit of ranch dip for dressing. These would make a great appetizer or even just a snack. I have a few other appetizers on my channel, and they are on a playlist, of course, including these ladybug crackers, which are absolutely delicious and adorable.